So now that we've talked about how our income could impact our tax strategy for the year ahead, I want to go to the next level in the tax preparation process, which is utilizing your above the line deductions. And this is not like a fact. This is personal preference. Maybe it's because I'm a business owner. And when most small business owners file their taxes, prepare for their taxes, at least in my experience, they don't decide how much they're going to contribute to retirement until the end of the process, really towards the end of the tax year in most cases. But if you're a W 2 employee, that's not really possible. You have to determine how much you're going to put in your 401k, 403b. But what I would say is in the tax projection process, I would tell you to look at the above the line deductions that you're going to utilize, excluding your retirement contributions, which we'll address at the end of this process. The reason I say that is because based on some of the other things we talk about in terms of what impacts your taxes, I would want to know what my taxable income is going to look like before I decide whether I'm going to do a certain amount in a 401k versus a Roth 401k or a SEP IRA versus a solo 401k as an example. So I start with the other above the line deductions. How much are you going to contribute to your health savings account? Are you going to instead do a flex spending account? Are you going to put money into a dependent flex spending account? If you're self-employed and we're doing some type of projection for your net business income, what are you going to pay when it comes to your self-employment taxes? All of those things give you an idea of what you have available as an above the line deduction to reduce your taxable income down to your adjusted gross income or modified adjusted gross income. And to me, I like to take those tools that you have available in the process and get a little further along. And then once we're further along, decide, okay, I'm going to max out my IRA this year, or I think that I'm okay in terms of how I'm projected in terms of the taxes that I'll owe. So since I'm not trying to save on taxes, maybe I do feel more comfortable putting those funds into a Roth IRA as a basic example.